Hello students, today we will study about arithmetic mean. We will study different methods of calculating arithmetic mean. First of all, we will see that there are two types of arithmetic mean. One is simple arithmetic mean and second is weighted arithmetic mean. Simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean. सबसे पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि अर्थमेटिक मीन होती क्या है. अर्थमेटिक मीन इज डिफाइंड एज ए वैल्यू विच इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय एडिंग ऑल द आइटम्स ऑफ ए सीरीज एंड डिवाइडिंग दिस टोटल बाय द नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स. मीन्स एक सीरीज़ की सभी आइटम्स के टोटल को उस सीरीज़ की नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स से डिवाइड करके जो वैल्यू आती है उसे हम कहते हैं अर्थमेटिक मीन. अर्थमेटिक मीन कैलकुलेट करने के दो मेथड हैं. सिंपल अर्थमेटिक मीन, दो टाइप है अर्थमेटिक मीन के, सिंपल अर्थमेटिक मीन एंड वेटेड अर्थमेटिक मीन. अब हमारे पास तीन टाइप की सीरीज़ हो सकती हैं टू कैलकुलेट सिंपल अर्थमेटिक मीन. फर्स्ट इज इंडिविजुअल सीरीज़, second is discrete series, and third is continuous series. We will understand how to calculate arithmetic mean in these three type of series. First of all, individual series. Individual series. To calculate arithmetic mean in individual series is that series in which the value of variable is given and that series doesn't have the frequency. We are only given the value of variable. To calculate arithmetic mean, the formula is, this is the sign of arithmetic mean. X bar is the sign of arithmetic mean and the formula of arithmetic mean is summation x upon n. Summation x is total of all the value of variable. Total of all the values of variable and n is total number of items in the series. Suppose for example x is given to be 10, 15, 25, 30 and we have to calculate arithmetic mean. Now to calculate arithmetic mean we have first of all to add all these value of x to find out summation x. 10 plus 15 25 plus 25 50 plus 30 is 80 and the number of item is 1 2 3 4 n is 4. The value of arithmetic mean will be summation x upon n, that is 80 upon 4. It will be 20. The value of arithmetic mean in individual series is 20 and this method of calculating arithmetic mean is called direct method of calculating mean. This is direct method of calculating arithmetic mean. Now the next method of calculating arithmetic mean is, second method is shortcut method. Shortcut method in individual series. The formula of shortcut method will be arithmetic mean a plus summation d upon n. A is the value of assumed mean and d is the total of deviation of the value of x from assumed mean. N is total number of item in the series. A is what? A is assumed mean. Summation d is total of deviation of x items from assumed mean, and n is total number of items in the series. Suppose we are given the individual series x. In that series the value are 15, 20, 30, 22. क्वेश्चन को सिंपल रखने के लिए हम 4 या 5 वैल्यू ले लेते हैं. एक वैल्यू और ले ली हमने. द नेक्स्ट वैल्यू इज 25. Next value is 25. We will first of all find out the deviation d. D is equal to x minus assumed mean. We have to take the assumed mean first of all. Suppose 15, 20. We have to take the assumed mean such a way that it is middle item. We take assumed mean, let 22 take. We take assumed mean as 22. Deviation is 15 minus 22 is equal to minus 7. 20 minus 22 is equal to minus 2. 30 minus 22 is 8. 22 minus 22 is 0. 25 minus 22 is 3. And the total of deviation summation d is equal to 8 plus 3 11, 7 plus 2 9, 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. And the formula of arithmetic mean is x bar is equal to a plus summation d upon n. Arithmetic mean, assumed mean is 22 plus summation d, value of summation d is 2 upon value of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the value of 2 upon 5 is equal to 2 divided by 5 is equal to 0.4, and the value of arithmetic mean will be 22.4. This is the shortcut formula to calculate arithmetic mean in case of individual series. Now we will learn how to calculate arithmetic mean in case of discrete series. Discrete series can also have two formulae. Discrete series. Two formula same. First is two method, direct method, and second is shortcut method. We will study this method now. First of all, we will study the direct method in case of discrete series. In discrete series, we are given the value of x variable and the frequency of item of x. Suppose the value of x variable is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and the frequency of 10 is 4, frequency of 20 is 5, 3, 2, 5, and we have to calculate arithmetic mean by direct method. The formula of arithmetic mean by direct method in case of discrete series is summation fx divided by n. Therefore, we have to calculate fx first. We will multiply f by x. 10 into 4 is 40, 100, 90, 80, 250, and summation fx is equal to 560. Here the value of n is total of frequency. Total of frequency is 19. This is n, and the value of arithmetic mean will be 560 divided by 19, and this is 29.47. This is the direct method in case of discrete series. Now we will study shortcut method. Shortcut method. The formula of shortcut method in discrete series is x bar arithmetic mean is equal to a plus summation f d divided by n. Suppose we will solve this question by shortcut method. Here the value of x is again 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and the value of f is 4, 5, 3, 2, 5. First of all, we have to take the assumed mean. Suppose 30 is taken to be the assumed mean. First of all, we will calculate d deviation x value minus assumed mean. 10 minus 30 is minus 20, 20 minus 30 minus 10, 0, 40 minus 30 is 10, 50 minus 30 is 20, and we have to calculate fd. Multiplication of frequency and deviation. 4 into minus 20 is minus 80, 5 into minus 10 is minus 50, 0, 20, and 100. Summation of fd is 120, 130. It means minus 10. And summation of frequency is equal to n, that will be 19. And the formula is given above. We will put all these value in the formula. 30 plus minus 10 upon 19 is equal to 30 minus 0.53, and the value of arithmetic mean will be 29.47. This is the shortcut method of calculating arithmetic mean in case of discrete series. Now we will study how to calculate arithmetic mean in case of continuous series. Continuous series. There are three methods of calculating arithmetic mean in continuous series. First is direct method. Second is shortcut method. And third is step deviation method. Step deviation method. We will study all these three methods one by one. First of all, we will study direct method. Direct method in case of continuous series. Here the direct method will have the same formula as in case of discrete series, and the formula is summation x is equal to summation f. यहाँ पे x की बजाय m आएगा, ये एक डिफरेंस है, डिवाइडेड बाय n. व्हाट इज m? m is the midpoint of a class, mid value of a class. कॉन्टिन्यूस सीरीज में हमें पता है कि हमें x की वैल्यू क्लास में दी होती है, क्लास इंटरवल में दी होती है, और हमें फ्रीक्वेंसी भी दी होती है. तो क्लास इंटरवल के मिड पॉइंट को हमें अर्थमेटिक मीन की कैलकुलेशन के लिए यूज़ करना होता है. इसे हम एक एग्जाम्पल से समझेंगे. सपोज हमें x की वैल्यू मार्क्स दिए हुए हैं बच्चों के, और उन मार्क्स को हमने x माना है. तो x की वैल्यू हमें गिवन है 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. फ्रीक्वेंसी 0 से 10 के बीच में 20 स्टूडेंट्स के मार्क्स हैं, 10 to 20 के बीच में 24 स्टूडेंट्स के मार्क्स हैं, 40, 36 and 20. These are the frequency. This type of series is called continuous series in which the value variable is given in interval. इसमें इनकी वैल्यू जो दी होती है x की, वो इंटरवल में दी होती है, और दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी इन फ्रैक्शन. फ्रीक्वेंसी दी होती है हमें. तो हम सबसे पहले मिड पॉइंट कैलकुलेट करेंगे. 0 to 10 का मिड पॉइंट कैलकुलेट करने के लिए लोअर लिमिट प्लस अपर लिमिट डिवाइड बाय 2, दैट विल बी 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, 15, 25, 35, 45. These are the midpoint. We will calculate FM, F multiplied by M. 20 into 5. 20 into 5 is 100. 24 into 15 is 360, 1000, 1260, 900. And the total summation, total और summation एक ही बात है, summation of f means 3620, and n is equal to summation of frequency, that is 140, and the value of arithmetic mean will be summation fm, that is 3620 divided by n. N is 140. This will be 25.85. This is the direct method in case of individual series. And now we will study shortcut method. In shortcut method, the formula of calculating arithmetic mean will be A plus summation FD divided by n. Same formula as in case of individual series. We will solve the same question by shortcut method. The value of x is given to be 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. And the value of f is 20, 24, 40, 36 and 20. The value of m we will calculate in the same way as we have calculated above. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. And the value of D, value of A, assumed arithmetic mean. We will take assumed arithmetic mean, assumed mean from M value. M is, suppose we have taken 25 as assumed mean. These are marks. Now D, how to calculate D? D will be M minus A. 5 minus 25 is minus 20 minus 10, 0, 10, 20. Now we will calculate, to calculate FD, we will multiply F and D. 20 into minus 20 is minus 400. 24 into minus 10 is minus 240. 0, 360 and 400. And the total of summation FD is 120. And summation F is n is equal to 140. We will put the value in the formula. X mean will be equal to 25 plus 120 upon 140. And the value of arithmetic mean will be 25.85. This is the shortcut method to calculate arithmetic mean in case of continuous series. All the method is same as in case of discrete series, but we have to calculate here the midpoint and we have to take assumed mean from this midpoint series. Now the next method in calculating arithmetic mean in case of continuous series is step deviation method. And the formula of step deviation method is A plus summation F D dash. This is D dash, no D, upon n multiplied by I. We will understand this formula with the help of an example. Suppose we are given the marks of student and the marks is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. And the number of student, that is frequency, 20, 24, 40, 36, 20. Midpoint M is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. We will take 25 as assumed mean and calculate D. 5 minus 25, that is minus 20. Minus 10, 0, 10, 20. Here we have used d dash. Now we have calculated only d. What is d dash? d dash d में कॉमन फैक्टर लेने के बाद आता है. इस d सीरीज़ में कॉमन फैक्टर 10 है और कॉमन फैक्टर को हम I से डिनोट करते हैं. द वैल्यू ऑफ कॉमन फैक्टर इज़ 10 and the value of d dash is calculated by d upon I. 20 minus 20 upon 10 is minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. This is the value of d dash and we have to calculate f d dash. F d dash is the multiplication of f and d dash. 20 into minus 2 is minus 40 minus 24 0 36 and 40 and the summation of f d dash will be equal to 12 and the summation of f is equal to n and that is 140. Value of I common factor is 10 and the formula of arithmetic mean is a plus summation f d dash upon n into I. Value of a is 25 plus value of f d dash is 12 upon value of n is 140 and the value of I is 10. When we will solve this, the value of arithmetic mean will be 25.85. We have solved the same question by using direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. कैलकुलेशन हम स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड यूज़ करते हैं तो सबसे ज़्यादा इजी हो जाती है और डायरेक्ट मेथड में कैलकुलेशन थोड़ी लंबी पड़ती है. लेकिन हम कोई भी मेथड यूज़ करें आवर आंसर विल बी द सेम. आज हमने अर्थमेटिक मीन कैलकुलेट करने के डिफरेंट मेथड स्टडी किए इन केस ऑफ इंडिविजुअल सीरीज़, discrete series and continuous series and total 3 method. First is direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. Step deviation method is applicable only in case of continuous series. Thank you.